Hello everybody! Today we're going to do another day of combining like terms. So remember, we can combine numbers that have the same variable, okay? Or numbers that don't have any variable, okay? Those are the ones we can combine. That means that they are a like term. Alright? So let's go through here and let's try to combine these. Alright, I'm going to do this side right here, and then I'm going to leave this side for you guys to try. So here we have 5x plus 7 plus 5x equals 7. Well, I know that I have a plus 5x, right? If it was minus, it would have, if it was negative, it would have a minus, okay? If there's nothing there, there's an invisible plus. It's positive. So plus 5x and plus 5x, I know that is 10x. Okay, then I have a plus 7 equals 7. Okay, now it turns into a two-step problem. Minus 7 here, minus 7 here. Okay, I drop my 10x equals 0. Okay, and then I divide by 10. So I'm just going to rewrite up here so that I have a little more room. Okay, 10x equals 0. Divide by 10. Divide this by 10. Drop my x. And 0 divided by 10 is what? 0. Correct. So x equals 0, guys, for that first one. Great job. All right, now we have 4x plus 10 plus 7x equals 32. Okay, so 4x and 7x, we're going to combine that to make 11x. Okay, and then we have to add 10. So 4 and 7 make 11, okay, and then equals 32. Now we just have to solve for x. So minus 10, because remember we do the opposite to cancel out. So minus 10. So over here I get 22. Over here I'm left with 11x. Okay, write it up here so I have a little more room. 11x equals 22. Alright, we'll divide by 11. Over here we divide by 11. I get x. And 22 divided by 11, when you put that in your calculator, it is 2. Okay, 2 11s make 22. So x equals 2. Ta-da! Okay. All right, here we go. So, upon close inspection, I can see this is not 13, it's 3x, and I just drew this line a little too long. Okay? So, we have 1x plus 7 plus 3x equals 27. So, 1x plus 3x, that's going to give me 4x. Okay? 4x, and then I've got plus 7 equals 27. All right, remember, now we solve. So minus 7 here, minus 7 there. Okay, 27 minus 7 is going to be 20. All right, and I'm going to drop my 4x. Now I've got 4x equals 20. To get rid of times 4, I'm going to divide by 4 to get rid of, and I do the same thing on the other side, okay? All right, so I drop my x, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, so x equals 5. Good job there, guys. All right, here we have 3x plus 6 plus 4x equals 13. Okay, so 3x and 4x, that's going to make 7x plus 6, okay, equals 13. All right, now we just have to solve. To get rid of plus 6, I minus 6, and then I do it to both sides, okay? So I've got 7x equals 7, and then x, when I divide by 7, x is going to be 1. Great job there. Last one we're going to do for today, 2x plus 4 plus 2x equals 16. Okay, so 2x and 2x are going to make 4x. Okay, and then I have a plus 4, and then equals 16. All right, now I just solve. To get rid of plus 4, I minus 4. I do it to both sides. I get 12. Cancel out. Drop my 4x. Okay, now to get rid of times 4, I divide by 4. Divide by 4 over here. Drop my x. 12 divided by 4 is 3. There's my answer. Remember, use a calculator. Okay, use a calculator for these division and multiplication problems. Okay, I'm not judging you on or grading you on how well you figure out the arithmetic here. I want to know that you can set up the problems, combine like terms, okay? So, use a calculator. Great job, guys. Go ahead and try these ones on your own. Have a great day. Welcome, guys. Today is actually May 11th, okay? But I found out that in my packet I gave you guys an extra sheet. Okay, you had one that was not dated, which we did last Friday, and then we had another May 8th. So today, to get everybody caught up, we're going to do this one and this one, and then the rest of them will fall on the days that they happen, okay? So today in geometry, you have 2 worksheets. Dun, dun, dun. You do not have to do them all today. If you would like to do one today and then try another one later this week or something, go ahead, be my guest, okay? And they're both on the same thing. They're on finding slope. So if you're pretty busy this week, you don't have enough time, it's okay to just pick one and do one worksheet. But I am going to go over both here on this video. So we are doing May 8th and May 11th, okay? So we're going to start with May 8th. And I'm just going to do these middle sections, okay? And the left and the right, you guys can handle. All right. So you see rise and run, okay? When we talk about slope, we need to find the rise over the run. Now, the rise can also be a drop, okay? If it is a drop, it is a what? Negative. Very good. So rise is positive. Doot, 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 doot. Drop is negative. Doot, 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 doot. And we always go left to right, okay? So, and then the run is how far it goes to the right, okay? That's why we start from the left. So the rise here, okay, is 10. So if we start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up, and then how far to over to get to this point? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's up 10 over 5. Okay, now, if you would like to take the next step, you don't have to for this, okay? You can reduce the fraction. That means finding something that they're both divisible by. In this case, it's 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this turns into 2 over 1, which is 2. Okay? All right, so the slope here is 2. If you just want to leave it 10 over 5, all you. Okay? But if you'd like that little extra step, go ahead and reduce the fraction. All right, so now we're going to start here. In this one, we were definitely rising. It was a positive slope going up from left to right. Here we have a negative slope. It's going down from left to right. That should tell you that the rise, the top number, should be a negative number. So I'm going to do my little treasure map. I like to go 10 paces up, 5 paces to the right. Okay, let's see how far do we have to go down to get to this line, okay? Right here. All right, so I'm right here to right there, okay? Actually, the dot is right here. I can see that. Okay, so here's the dot, okay? The line just goes through it, so ignore those dots. All right, so we need to get from here to there. So this line's what I'm trying to get to. See this one right here? This X is where this is located. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 down. Okay, now I need to get over. So I'm down 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Now, 4 is always the run's always gonna be positive, and that's why we go left to right. Okay, so my slope is -5 over 4. Okay, for you guys reducing out there, this is actually the reduced fraction. Okay, so you can't go any further than that. Okay, they're not divisible by the same numbers. You can divide this by 2, but guess what? You can't divide that by 2. So your rise over run, which is actually a drop here, is -5/4. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, you can see, make these a little bigger so they're easier to see. I had a tough time seeing them, but there are actually points on these lines. Okay, so find the points on the lines. Okay, and here is where we're going to start today. I need to get from this line, okay, to this line. So I go 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I'm there. Now I need to get over. So I'll put my 3 right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. over 5. Now you see how the over always goes on the bottom, the rise always goes on the top, okay? So then that's because that is the slope. Rise is always on the top. So the first thing we always do is up, so that you know it's on the top, okay? Up or down, okay? All right, so our slope here is 3/5. Great job. All right, let's go to here. We have this nifty guy here, and it looks like this dot right there. Okay, now let's go down. 1, 2, and I'm on the line, okay? So -2 because I went down, negative slope. And then over 1, 2, 3, 4. -2/4. For my reducers out there, you can divide these both by 2. -2 divided by 2 is -1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So -1/2. All right, so find the rise and run, okay, for these ones right here. Remember, it can be negative. If it's going down, if you're starting higher than you're ending, okay, it's a negative slope, okay? If it's going up, positive. All right, hopefully this helped. Now I'm going to get into May 11th. So like I said, if you want to just take care of May 8th today and do May 11th another day, or just not even worry about it, go ahead. But here's, if you want this challenge, okay, I'm going to go over it right now. So this one, there's no lines. How do we find the slope? Well, you have to draw the lines first. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is plot the points. We know that x, the first thing we do is go sideways, and then the last thing is up and down, okay? So x, y. So for this one, for this point, okay, we would do over to the right 2 because it's positive, okay? And then we would go down 1. So 1, 2, 1, and I would plot my point there, okay? Now you notice how I'm not drawing these little things here because I'm not doing slope right now. I'm just finding the points. I don't want a million little squiggly lines on here. All right, now I need to go over to the left 5 and then down 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left and then down 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's my point. Now I draw my little line. Okay. And here I am. Okay. All right, making a nice line right here. Okay, look, I have graphed a line through the given pair of points. So if anyone tells you graph a line, that's all you got to do. Find the points, connect them. Okay, when you guys were playing connect the dots as kids, you were graphing lines. Congratulations. All right, so now all we need to do is find the slope. To get from here, this line, to this line, we need to go 1, 2. So that is 2 rise. And then the run would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2/7. Okay, great job. All right, let's move down here and let's look. Like I said, x is first, y is the second number. So we need to go to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 1, right there. Here we need to go to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. Now you might be thinking, Mr. Alt, why did we go to the left 4 and we went to the right 3? It's a number line, guys. Look, it's a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, -1, -2. So if you're going positive, you're going to go to the positive side. If you're going negative, you're going to the negative side. And then for this one, there's a number line here too. Okay, this is a number line. So basically, all a coordinate plane is 2 number lines. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So here I go up 1, and here I go up 1. Okay, so I have my 2 lines here. And this requires what we learned the first day. What happens when we have a completely horizontal line? Okay, I cannot go up anything. I can't count rise over run. Okay, what is this line? A sideways line. It's not undefined. It's not positive. It's not negative. It is 0. Okay? All right? So this is 0. All right? You don't have to do anything. We're done. Doo-doo. So if it is on the same line, okay? It's on the same line and it's sideways, it's 0. Great job. See why we did that first day, okay? You guys might have said, this is easy. Negative, positive, we're just looking at the line. But you need to know when you see this, when you're doing slope, 0, okay? All right. So now let's do it right here. We're going to go on our number line. Remember, this is x. So this is x, see? So the x number line, I'm going to go to -5. On the y number line, I'm going to go to 1. Okay? So -5, 1. And then I'm going to go 2, 4. All right? Make our line here. See how I like to use something straight? Okay, this is just a USB flash drive looking thing. Okay, but it's nice and hard and straight so that I can draw a real nice line. You don't always need a ruler, just something hard and straight. And I kind of messed that line up anyway. But we're just going to count. All right, so now I need to get from this line to this one. So I go 1, 2, 3. All right, and then I need to get over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need up 3 over 7. Okay, 3/7 is my slope, and that is reduced. Okay, so go ahead, plot these points, graph your lines, all right, and then count the rise and run. Have a great day, guys. Hey guys, it's Mr. Alt. Did you enjoy that video? You finished your work for the day and wish there was just something else you could do? Our Microsoft Teams page, available on your computer or on your phone or tablet. And come to the left and click Enrichment Opportunities, and there's lots of extra things here for acting, art, science, history. You'll see our Jeopardy games. Lots of fun stuff to do if you finished your work for the day. It's extra, so it's not mandatory, but it is there for you. Okay, Enrichment Opportunities under Mr. Alt's class. Have a good one!